To check my Avacoin, which I've been mining for over 2 to 3 weeks, and I found out I had zero balance and I had no clue on what to do. So one of the things I did was I just rushed through the Ava community. Then I find out that I was not the only one actually that had that issue. So for example, I'm going to show you one. Okay, I didn't see. Well, okay, this person is trying to explain his frustration that he did not see anything in the Ava balance. Okay, this is someone having 112 in his Ava coin balance. Okay, but I have similar issue with this person. Yes, boom, this is exactly what I have zero Avacoin after mining Avacoin for several weeks. I had close to 100,000 Avacoin. So I was like, what could be happen? I rushed down to their Twitter page and I could find out that I was not the only one having the same issue. So this is their Twitter page. Okay, if you can see, this is another person actually sharing the same thing that is happening to them regarding this Avacoin. Then after going through their community, I find out that they have ended the first phase of the Avacoin, and you might not be seeing the actual balance in your wallet, or sorry, in the Avacoin bot. So one thing you need to do is to move this zero to something reasonable, is to return back to the Ava bot, okay, which I'll be showing you now. So this is my Ava bot. So then you click on start game. Okay, I did this 2 minutes ago before starting to record. So what you need to do is to move this balance from 0 to something higher, or 50, 100, or depending on how many tasks you are able to perform. So you just navigate to the task portion at the bottom tab. Then you begin to perform some of these tasks. Okay, for example, now this one says subscribe to our channel, you have 1 coin. So you just click on subscribe, then you go back. Okay, this we actually try to see if this is complete. Some of these are not actually working. I've tried like this before. Yesterday it was not working, but thank God it's working today now. Remember, I had 98 coin earlier, so I'm going to try this also. And now you see that it was stated that you earn Avacoin just by completing task. So you can click on join. If you're unable to join, just go back. This to explain how you earn more Avacoin. So you just follow through all this and you earn more. So I'll just make this video short at this end so that you can really digest what I have passed through and pass on this video. So if you have any issue, visit the description section. Follow the Telegram group so that I will be able to put you through on whatever you're facing or you're experiencing regarding mining airdrop or with your Avacoin. Thank you.